Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to unlock your Google Pixel 9 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app, and you want to go to the dialer, and you want to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI information. Make sure you write down the first number at the top here. We're going to use that later on in the process. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome, to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Google Pixel, and the model is going to be the Pixel 9. And keep in mind this will work for any of the Pixel 9 models, so Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL. You're then going to hit Unlock Phone. Once you verify you have the right phone here. Here, they'll show you what it will cost to unlock the phone for a small fee. This website will unlock the phone for you so you can use it within the carrier. And it will take anywhere from 1 hour to about 72 hours to get your response email that will have the final unlock instructions. One thing to keep in mind is that the process to unlock phones does change from time to time, and it's different depending on the carrier. That's why you submit the information, and then they email you once they have the most latest unlocking instructions for you to unlock your phone. You're going to enter the country you purchased the phone in here, the carrier here, and then you can put in the IMEI right here, what we got in the first step of the video. You're going to add to cart, and then after that you check out, pay, and then you'll wait until you get that follow-up email to then be able to finish unlocking your phone. Now, a couple of things I want to point out about this website at the top of the screen. They do have a few different ways for you to contact the company in case you have a question about your order. So there's a number to call, a number to text, an email address, and a WhatsApp number. So you have 4 different ways to contact the company in case you have any questions or issues with your order. Now, once you get those instructions, you are going to need to follow the steps, and then you'll have to take out your SIM card and put in the SIM card of the new service you want to use the phone with. In the box of your phone, you'll find this little SIM tool that you can use to pop out the old SIM card and put in the new one. If you can't find that, you can always find a paper clip, simply bend it back, and you can use that to pop out the SIM card and put in your new SIM card, all right? Hope you guys found this helpful. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.